Hey everyone! So, we're talking about my M1 experience so far. I would say the best area of improvement that I've had would definitely be in career and business realm because before M1, just business wise, it wasn't as organized. And since being in one, we're a lot more organized now. We've been able to talk with mentors and different people who have been able to help and just give recommendations, even with copywriting and even techniques for social media and things like that. And just with the Monday Night Lives, there's been a lot of helpful things to help improve our business as a whole. And then, so for what do I specifically appreciate about the M1 experience? I really appreciate just the tribe and the sense of community as a whole. Because that sense of community you don't find anywhere else. I've never found a community like this. One so positive, so uplifting, and this building you up in general. Like that is key. Because what I've found is misery loves company, and that's what I've seemed to find all over the place. Just in my normal Navy day work job, people just love misery, but within the M1 tribe, you find this community of people who want to better themselves. You don't find that anywhere else. So that has been my biggest thing specifically that I appreciate about M1 tribe. If I would recommend this to someone who might be on the fence, I would recommend it just for that sense of community and that how they're not going to find it anywhere else. And that you can't find this positivity, and it really helps, like, being surrounded with this whole group that helps you grow. You don't find that, like, it's such a gem to find that and have that support, which really helps build you up, especially with the pods and having our pod weekly meetings. That's been key too. That is definitely a game changer and has been awesome. And then for the next question, so what has surprised you the most or made me the happiest about being in M1 so far? Okay, that's going to go back to just the support and just how people are so ready to help you or put themselves out there for you and just build you up. That has been a big surprise. I knew it was going to be a support network and just great all around people, but just the friendships that I've already made, and I've only been in it since August. Yeah, I've only been in it since really August, and I've already built friendships, and I've already met people within my pod, and it's just been an amazing experience. So I'm so thankful to be in M1. This is a great experience. I would recommend it. I do recommend it to as many people that I meet that I think would be great for the group. I am so thankful to be in this group.